Hey Zabe,
I feel it.
you ever get the feeling that there's gonna be like another war or like some crazy invention's gonna rise up above us?
War going on in my pants, but
Wait, what?
not.
What the hell was that?
I think it was Big Boy Tyrone.
I don't think so, dude. I think it was like, I don't know. I swear any like technology we have nowadays is coming back to like haunt us or something. I swear. That? Who was it, dude?
My girlfriend.
No, she could be a robot. Like, man, I swear those robots, like, whatever it is gonna come back and get us. So, what was that? Okay, let's check this out in 3, 2, 1. Oh, jeez.
Oh god.
Oh god. Oh. I swear the technology is coming to get us.
Either that or your mom just left the Hoover there just to.
No, it's not my mom. She would not leave me there. Well, she would. She wouldn't leave me to clean, but she wouldn't leave it just right there. It's not there. It's not there, man. Why are you on your... You traitor.
No, I'm texting my friend.
Your girlfriend?
Yes, actually, yes.
Dude, you see that?
He's moved.
What the hell? Look! Dude, we defeated it! Yeah!
I had to do it.
Dude, we've done it. We defeated the Hoover.
Yay! Yay!
Yeah!